Let's make box cake taste like it's from scratch. I'm cheating and using the food processor, but definitely could just put this in a bowl. Instead of using the water, I replaced it with milk, and I'm adding in some pudding mix. My recipe calls for 3 eggs, but I'm adding in 4. Next, instead of using a half a cup of vegetable oil, I'm using a half a cup of melted butter. At this time, you'd use your blender or, in my case, my food processor. Now we're going to spray our pans and preheat our oven at 350 degrees. We're going to cook according to the directions. Now let's make some toasted coconut. I'm going to cook it for about 12 minutes, watching it so it doesn't burn. Let it cool down. Now I'm going to make some homemade whipped cream. 2 cups of heavy cream and a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and mix until done. You know I just tried that. Take 1 can of crushed pineapples and put it in a pot. And we're going to add about 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Yeah, you heard me. Bring it to a boil and set aside. Now I'm getting ready to pipe my whipped cream. I'm going to set this aside for a minute or so. I'm going to poke some holes in my cake and I'm going to pour that pineapple with its juices right on top of it. The moisture of this cake, yum. Earlier I made some French vanilla pudding and I'm going to add half of it to the bottom and the other half to the top. Now I'm going to pipe the edges and add that second layer on. Repeat the step again. Don't forget to poke holes with your fork on that second layer. And you're going to decorate it as you see fit. This was Antoinette's recipe. It's incredibly delicious and moist. Here's my cousins from Scotland getting ready to try it. Tell me what you think.
That's delicious.
That is good. Yummy. Uh-oh. I dropped